Welcome to this bonus episode of the Food Fight podcast from EIT Food.
In these episodes, we want to shine a light on new projects and agri-food startups and hear about their efforts to fight for a better food future. This week, we're handing over to Taly Nechushtan to tell us about Innovopro, the startup leading the way in the chickpea protein revolution.
Hello, my name is Taly Nechushtan, CEO of Innovopro. We're part of the EIT Rising Food Stars, and we're fighting for the future of food in order to enable the creation of tasty plant-based food solutions to inspire healthier future generations worldwide. Innovopro is a food tech company. We were founded at 2015 by Dr. Asher Shmulevich. We have a proprietary technology for the extraction of 70% chickpea protein and other chickpea derivative. Chickpea protein is unique because it has a combination of properties that it's hard to find today in other plant-based protein. It has a high concentration of protein, a very nutritious one. It has a very mild taste. It is a very strong emulsifier and a very soluble protein, and it enables the creation of clean label applications. We were the first to launch chickpea protein concentrate commercially. We're scaling up in North America, and we're very proud to be granted by the European Commission with a seal of excellence for our technology. Well, our chickpea protein, or by its commercial name CP Pro 70, is a fine powder sold in a 20 kg bags, and we supply it to food and beverage companies worldwide that are formulating a new kind of recipes, and they would like to launch a healthier food products to their markets. So our ingredient enables the creation of recipes with 6 to 8 ingredients only. All of them are natural and healthy. Unlike, let's say, the old labels that we see nowadays in supermarket, when you have like more than 23 ingredients, some of them you can't even recognize as food. So food companies would like to start, let's say, a new era in which they formulate in a different way, and our ingredient, because it's a very functional ingredient that does in the formula several kind of tasks, it redundates the use of any other unhealthy ingredients, and the recipe is clean label and tasty and healthy. Our process is all based, I think, about the idea of sustainability. We source the chickpeas in North America. They grow in large scale in North America, and we process them based on our sustainable technology that uses less water, less energy than other technologies that are common in use today. And we use wet processing for that. At the end, we use all the byproducts. We would like to basically have a zero waste process in the end. People are now adopting plant-based protein to their diet. I think that some of them are not defining themselves anymore as vegan or vegetarians, but they are lowering their overall meat consumptions and they are lowering their overall dairy consumption. We call these people flexitarians or reducitarians. And from surveys and research that we have, we see that 57% of consumers globally find plant-based protein sources appealing. They would like to add more to their diet. 20% of consumers would like to eat gluten-free products, and I think that these numbers are on a rise, and we're very happy to be part of this revolution. the next challenge for Innovopro is scaling up. We need to expand our ability to produce, and we need to expand our customer base. And this is I think the most common challenges for startups. And this is why we get up in the morning. We're happy to do that. I think that the EIT Food gave us the opportunity to meet with the multinational, the big CPG companies, with university representatives. And I think that by getting to know this community and having direct contact with the people there, we were able to develop several ideas and projects that we're now working on in order to, let's say, launch some kind of a mutual product application in the next future. I think that people are not that extreme in their choices. I think people always had some plant proteins in their daily routine. I think it will be good if we would enlarge this kind of, let's say, share in our diet. And I think that for the sake of the world, it's best if we could avoid consuming animal-based products. We will leave a better world to our children if we would do so. I think my message to the food and beverage industry is be brave and formulate differently. Do some new kinds of application that will be clean label with short ingredient list, and bring your customers healthy and clean label products.
Thanks for listening to this bonus episode of the Food Fight podcast.
To find out more and to learn how you can get involved in the fight for a better food future, head over to eitfood.eu/podcast. For more information on Innovopro, please head over to innovopro.com.